Good morning, my friends. Today we're going to look at how to make portal comments on the 2.0 portal. If you scroll down and choose Portal Services, and then choose Search and Save New, it opens up a new page, the Student Search page. Click Main, or make sure Main is clicked, scroll down, and in the ID section, you can just enter an H number. Enter the H number, click Enter, and there you go. Select the student, and down here at the bottom, I know it's a bit muddled, but click on the Actions button. It brings up this menu, and you can choose Comments Entry. You also have your mail options here. I don't know if that works, but I know this does. It opens a new page, and your drop-down menus, type of comment you want to make, the date, courses. Make sure you choose which visible selection you want, and choose your email options as you like. Just like the old system, you enter your comments here, and click Save. And that's it. You'll note there's no workable buttons up here. You have to use the buttons down here, and sometimes they're a bit tricky. Oh, it's a bit out of place. There we go. You can also choose to use these drop-down menus to limit your search, to find your classes or students. Which should bring up, oh, sometimes that doesn't work. So the system's still a bit new, and we'll figure it out as time goes by. And that should allow you to create comments that your line manager can see. Good luck, and take care.